everyone, good morning. Today I am going to talk about the gram free site that I am using for about 3 months and the activity you can do on the site for earning money as are below: roll, invite friends, smart contract and watch videos. In this we will talk about the factors to earn money, or you can say the activities you have to do on the site. Okay, here is the first activity you have to do, and it's roll. They will give you one roll, 5 rolls per day, and you can do roll after every 1 hour. Okay, and as you can see, in my last roll I have 1.1 gram, and here you can say lucky number and payout. Okay, and it will differ from country to country. As you can see here, they will give you the live one from the rolls, and it will be different for every country, and it will differ from people to people. And as you can see here, someone won 100 grams for 9, for number is 974 and 993. But as you can see here, it is not the 100 gram but 1 gram and 10 gram. Okay, and so you can say that it will differ from country to country. Okay, and here you can see my level for the site and activities I have done. As you can see, I have watched videos, and here are 4 rolls I have done, and here is the smart contract I have done. Okay, and here are the proof of the withdrawals. They will give you 3 videos per day for to watch, and you will earn zero point 0.1 gram for every video you watch. As you can see, I have started the video, and here they have this person has withdraw 500 grams and earn about 1783 grams, $83. And yes, minimum withdrawal amount is 500 grams for this site, and you can also check the validity of the site in other website, and it's 100% legal, I can guarantee it. And as you can say, it's the date of the withdrawal of the second month. As you can see, February 17th February in 2021. So it's legit site, I can say with guarantee. As you can see, my activity point has risen by 1, and my, as I say, I can go to balance. My balance has updated to 228 gram, and the gram price is $3.5 per gram. Okay, and here are my referrals. Some people say that they do not give the gram for referrals IO because they are pending referrals. They will not give you the gram if the your referral reaches to second level. And here you can see progress for every referral. As you can see, this person has in my account progressed about 40%, and as you can see 40 points they have, and its status is pending. And as you go low, this person has completed 100%, has completed. So it's in my active balance, and they have added 3 grams in my account. And yes, the final and the best you can earn grams from this site is from smart contract. It's in 2 types: basic contract, which will give you zero point 0.2 grams per signing contract, and if you sign the risky contract, and there will be button for it to be risky, but you have to sign contract every day for continuous 5 days, and after 5 days you will receive your gram prize. or you can say gram amount in your active balance. Okay, and if you forfeit in between, and you will to get, you will get a penalty of 0.8 gram from your account. So you have to continuously sign contract for 5 days. Okay, confirm contract you have to 5 days. Okay, and if you believe the site is fraud, I am not I am recommending you to search for the site on any website you prefer, and I have given a link below for the login or sign up you have to do, and you only have to give is your email address and you can do activities. There is no payment method, and yes, payment method I almost forgot it. As you can see, there are different payment methods you can withdraw from. As you can see, PayPal, Bitcoin, Payoneer, Payeer, Skrill, and Visa. Okay, and minimum amount is 500 grams. You can, and as you can see, I have 150 grams available from my balance. Okay, and I have given the link below. If you like the video and want to join the site, you can also join the site by clicking on the link and sign in. If you have any doubts about the site, you can also comment in this below and I will guide you in. Okay, thank you.